In this video, I will show you how to send Ethereum from Coinbase Wallet to Coinbase. So we're going to start off from our Coinbase app. So let's go ahead and do that. And from here, we're going to click on Transfer at the bottom right. And now we're going to click on Receive Crypto. Now we're going to select Ethereum. So let's go ahead and search for that and click on Ethereum. Click on it here. And once we do that, we can select the network in here. And I'm always going with the default Ethereum network because it is really important that you match the network on Coinbase Wallet and Coinbase. Because if you do not match the networks in any transfer, your crypto might get lost. So I'm just going with the safe option for the default one. So clicking on this, and now I have my wallet address in here. So I'm going to copy this to my clipboard. So now we're opening our Coinbase Wallet app, and from here we're going to click on this transfer icon in here, and now we're going to click on Send. So go ahead and fill in an amount first before you send. I'm just going to send everything I have in Ethereum. So let's click on Max and then Send. And now you need to fill in the wallet address in here. So I'm just going to click on Paste. And now just click on that icon just down below. Verify the full address by clicking on Yes. And now you will see the transaction details in here. So if everything is all right, go ahead and click on Confirm down below. So let's do that. And as you can see, the Ethereum has been successfully sent. So now I can just click on Done. And now we can open our Coinbase to see if it's already there.